kids, I'm Miss Joanna and welcome to our storytelling session. It's story time. It's story time. Look, listen, wow. And today's story is titled The Foolish Tortoise. Now I'm going to show you how to do a craft of a tortoise which I prepared already for you. Now here I have a tortoise. How did I do it? I used green cardboard in the shape of a circle, but you can also use a paper plate and you can paint it all green. That will be really fun. Then you take the center of the circle. You take the center and cut a slit from the edge to the center like this. Now what are we going to do? We're going to fold the pieces on top of each other, the two edges on top of each other to form a cone. Look, I have a cone now, and this is the shell of the tortoise. Now you glue them, you glue it here and let it dry a bit, and you're going to start decorating the tortoise shell. Now what did I do? I found some material and first I cut it into strips. It is synthetic leather actually, but you can use material, you can use kite paper, whatever you find, you can use it. First I cut it into strips and then into squares. And I stuck them to the shell. But again, you can decorate it the way you like. Now what's left? We have to do its head, and all it is, it's a circle. And the neck goes underneath and you stick it to the shell. Two arms, its legs, and a triangle down here for the tail. You stick everything from underneath, and here you have the finished tortoise. Now all you have to do is draw the face of the tortoise. I made the tortoise happy, but it's up to you if you want to draw a funny face or a sad face. I leave it up to you. Now if you do this craft, you can send us photos on our page and we'll be glad to see what you're doing at home. I hope you enjoyed today's story and you will join me again for another story very soon. Bye!